Good morning, students. We already start unit number 10, S block element. So today we will discuss the chemical property, next chemical property, reactivity towards halogen. So all the alkaline earth metals combine with halogens at high temperature forming their halide. So all the alkaline earth metals react with halogens to form a dihalides. To form a dihalides, X may be a fluorine, chlorine, bromine or a iodine. So the metal halides can also be obtained by the action of halogen acids on metal on their oxides, carbonates or hydroxides. So when we react metal oxide with halogen acids to produce salt, halides or water. So similarly, beryllium fluoride is conveniently prepared by the thermal decomposition of ammonium berylate, while beryllium chloride is formed from their oxide. So beryllium oxide react with ammonia with hydrogen fluoride, it form ammonium salt. Further, upon heating, it will give beryllium difluoride. And we can obtain beryllium chloride when we heat oxide in the presence of carbon along with chlorine at 870 to 1070 Kelvin temperature. It will give beryllium chloride along with carbon monoxide. Clear? Next chemical property, reactivity with ammonia. So similarly, like alkali metals, all alkaline earth metals dissolve in liquid ammonia to give a deep blue black solution forming a ammoniated ions. So from these solution, ammoniates of the general formula is MnH3x. Maybe there is a 6 ammonia are attached to the metals. Next property is they have tendency to form a complex. So group second elements have tendency to form some stable complexes. Among these, beryllium, magnesium have maximum tendency to form complex. Why? Due to their small size and high charge density. For example, in case of magnesium, the complex ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ chlorophyll है. Beryllium ਦਾ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋ BeF4 2 negative. Clear? So chlorophyll is an important complex of magnesium which is present in plants. Clear? Next property is reducing nature. So like alkali metals, the alkaline earth metals also act as a strong reducing agent. Why? Because it easily lose electron and oxidize easily. So that's why they are act as a strong reducing agent. And another case point due to large negative of reduction potential value. So beryllium reducing nature is maximum due to large hydration enthalpy and small size of Be2 positive due to polarization. So that's why they have maximum reducing power, and the reducing character decreases as compared down the group. Clear? Due to small size of beryllium and magnesium, they are easily reduced. Clear? Than other heavier members. Next we discuss general characteristics of compounds of alkaline earth metals. So the alkaline earth metals form a compound dipositive ions MX2. So due to increased nuclear charge and smaller ionic size, down the group ionic character increases. So ਜਿਹੜਾ starting ਚ beryllium ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ compound ਨੇ, they are covalent due to small size and polarization power, high polarization, so that's why they are covalent. But when we move from beryllium to barium, the ionic character of bond increases due to increase in size. Clear? ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਜੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਅਸੀਂ, ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੰਪਾਊਂਡਸ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੈਰੀਲੀਅਮ ਤੇ ਮੈਗਨੀਸ਼ੀਅਮ ਦੇ ਕੋਵਲੈਂਟ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, ਬਟ ਕੈਲਸ਼ੀਅਮ, ਸਟ੍ਰੋਂਸ਼ੀਅਮ ਤੇ ਬੇਰੀਅਮ ਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਆਇਨਿਕ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. ਕਲੀਅਰ? ਸੋ ਫਸਟ ਵੀ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਆਕਸਾਈਡਸ ਐਂਡ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਕਸਾਈਡ ਆਫ alkaline earth metal. So they form, all alkaline earth metals form oxide, formula MO. So these can be prepared by reacting the metal with oxygen. So upon heating it will give oxides. Metal may be a beryllium, magnesium or calcium, and we also obtain their oxide from carbonate or sulfate by heating with the loss of carbon dioxide. So in this case all metal oxides are formed. So except beryllium oxide, all have rock like structure of all the oxides. So beryllium oxide ਨੂੰ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸਾਰੇ alkaline earth metal ਦੇ oxides ਨੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ sodium chloride type structure ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਬਟ beryllium oxide ਦਾ ਕੋਵਲੈਂਟ ਨੇਚਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੰਥੈਲਪੀ ਆਫ ਫਾਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਆਕਸਾਈਡ ਦੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹਾਈ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਦੈਟਸ ਵਾਈ ਦੇ ਆਰ stable in nature. So enthalpy of formation high, that's why they are more stable in nature. Clear? So next we discuss the character acidic or basic or amphoteric. So beryllium oxide is amphoteric in nature, which react with acid as well as a base. Magnesium oxide is weakly basic, and down the group the basic character of oxide increases. Clear? So oxides of beryllium and magnesium are almost insoluble in water. Why? Due to large lattice enthalpy. Due to large lattice enthalpy. Clear? So but other forms oxide. So beryllium and magnesium are insoluble water, that's why they are not easily form hydroxide. But other oxides of alkaline earth metal form hydroxide when react with water. So when calcium oxide react with water, it form calcium hydroxide along with ਹੀਟ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਲੀ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ 'ਚ ਡਿਜ਼ੋਲਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੀਟ ਵੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਿਊਸ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਦੇਰ ਇਜ਼ ਅ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ ਇਨ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਫਰੋਮ ਬੈਰੀਲੀਅਮ ਟੂ ਬੇਰੀਅਮ. ਸੋ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ ਇਨ ਪੋਲਰਾਈਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਪਾਵਰ ਵਿਦ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਇਨ ਆਇਨਿਕ ਸਾਈਜ਼. ਬਟ ਜੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਦੇਖੀਏ, ਜੇ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਕਰੈਕਟਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਬੈਰੀਲੀਅਮ ਟੂ ਬੇਰੀਅਮ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਡਾਊਨ ਦੀ ਗਰੁੱਪ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ. ਬਟ ਅਲਕਲਾਈਨ ਅਰਥ ਮੈਟਲ ਦੇ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਕਸਾਈਡ ਲੈਸ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਜ਼ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ ਅਲਕਲੀ ਮੈਟਲਸ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਈਜ਼ ਆ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਇਨਕਰੀਜ਼ ਕਰਦਾ. ਸੋ ਅਲਕਲੀ ਮੈਟਲਸ ਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹਾਈਡਰੋਕਸਾਈਡ ਆ ਦੇ ਆਰ ਸਟਰੋਂਗਰ ਬੇਸ ਐਜ਼ ਕੰਪੇਅਰ ਟੂ alkali metals. Reason behind it, alkaline earth metals have high ionization enthalpy, small ionic size and a dye positive charge on ions. Due to these 3 points, the hydroxide of alkaline earth metals are less basic as compared to alkali metals of corresponding period. जिसमें lithium hydroxide है वो more basic होगा as compared to beryllium. Cesium hydroxide is more basic than barium hydroxide. Clear? Next, general characteristics of compounds, that is halide. So metal react directly with the halogen like a chlorine or bromine to form a dihalide. So also we obtained from oxide or hydroxide when we react with halogen acid. So beryllium halide are covalent. Why? Due to small size and high polarization power, but other are ionic and soluble in water. Beryllium का तो नहीं है क्योंकि उसका स्मॉल साइज है, हाई पोलराइजिंग पावर है. क्लियर? सेकंड पॉइंट, बेरिलियम क्लोराइड इज लो मेल्टिंग सॉलिड एंड वोलाटाइल इन नेचर. सो बेरिलियम क्लोराइड साडे को लो मेल्टिंग सॉलिड है तो वोलाटाइल है, ईजिली साडे को वैपोरेट हो जाता. बट बाकी जिहड़े साडे को हलाइड्स ने, क्लोराइड्स ने, जिवें बेरियम क्लोराइड है, उसका हाई मेल्टिंग पॉइंट होंदा. नेक्स्ट, बीइंग अ बेरिलियम क्लोराइड इज सॉल्युबल in organic solvent, but magnesium bromide and magnesium iodide also soluble in organic solvent. So anhydrous halide of alkaline earth metals are hygroscopic because they have tendency to absorb water to form a hydrated salt. So due to this property, the anhydrous calcium क्लोराइड एक्ट एज अ डिहाइड्रेटिंग एजेंट. जे किसी चीज़ चो असी वाटर रिमूव करना तो उत्थे असी कैल्शियम क्लोराइड यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उत्ते वाटर इन्हें एब्जॉर्ब कर लेना जिहदे करके साडे को वाटर रिमूव हो जाएगा. क्लीयर? उस तो अगे गल करिए, बेरिलियम क्लोराइड वैन रिएक्ट विद वाटर इट विल गिव अ फ्यूम्स ऑफ HCl. सो जो बेरिलियम क्लोराइड नूं वाटर नाल रिएक्ट कराउने आ तो साडे को फ्यूम्स दिंदा किहदे? HCl दे. क्लीयर? सो उस तो अगे साडे को जे बेरिलियम क्लोराइड की जिहड़ी शेप है वो साडे को डाइमर नेचर होंदी है, साडे को ब्रिज बॉन्ड विच जिहड़ा हैगा फॉर्म कीता हुंदा है. क्लीयर? नेक्स्ट लास्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज सॉल्ट ऑफ ऑक्सो एसिड्स. सो it have the alkaline earth metals have tendency to form oxo acids, so like a carbonate, sulfate, oxalate or nitrates. So the carbonates of alkaline earth metals are prepared by passing the carbon dioxide through it. So alkaline earth metal carbonate are insoluble in water and easily precipitate by the addition of sodium and ammonium carbonate. So mostly beryllium salts are strong oxo acids are crystallize as a soluble hydrates, but beryllium carbonate is a very prone to hydrolysis and can be easily precipitated only in atmosphere carbon dioxide. But when we heat calcium hydroxide pass carbon dioxide to form a calcium carbonate. When we heat calcium carbonate, it easily decomposes into calcium oxide along with carbon dioxide. And the stability of carbonate increases down the group. So for example, beryllium carbonate is the least stable, but barium carbonate is most stable. And the solubility of metal carbonate in water down the group decreases. Thermal stability increase करती है from beryllium to barium, but solubility ਉਹਦੀ decrease करती है down the group. Clear? Thermal stability increase, solubility decreases. Next, by beryllium show anomalous behavior from other alkaline earth metals due to small size of atom and ion, its high ionization enthalpy and electronegativity, absence of d orbital, absence of d orbital. So that's why they show anomalous behavior. Even magnesium also show anomalous behavior. And diagonal relationship we already discussed in third chapter, and do yourself uses of alkali and alkaline earth metal. If you guys have any doubt in this topic, you can call me. Thank you.